Hello, this is Mr. G. In today's video, we are going to go over order of operations and how we can use PEMDAS, okay, in order to solve for the equation. Um, Now, when we're doing a PEMDAS, basically it's like a checklist. Okay, we start at the very top and work our way to the very end. Now, the P will stand for parentheses, and brackets. Okay. The E is for exponents, right? We won't have to worry about that until sixth grade, right? So this is here. Something we do in sixth grade. Okay. The M stands for multiplication. The D stands for division. The A stands for addition. And the S stands for subtraction. Okay. Now this year, right, these four, okay, they are done, okay, from left to right. Okay. That's the order these are done in. Okay. Whichever one comes first. Okay. That's the way we do it. Okay. Now here we have an example that we're going to work out. Okay. Um, and I'm just going to kind of show you the strategy that we're going to be doing this year. Okay. Now the reason why I drew these two lines is because we're not going to do any of our work in here, right? We're not going to do our addition, subtraction, multiplication. That's all going to be done here, right? This out here is our workspace, kind of like our scratch paper. Okay. The only thing we're going to do here is drag down the operation and the numbers. So let's start with the very first one. So if I start off here, I know I need to do parentheses or brackets first, right? Here, I don't have brackets, but I do have parentheses, right? I have 50 here divided by 2. Okay. Now 50 divided by 2 will give me 25. Okay. That's the only thing I need to do here is just now bring everything else down. 35, okay, minus 6. Okay. Now I start over again, right? Parentheses, brackets, I don't have any. Okay. Exponents, I don't. Multiplication, division, I don't see any here. So I'm going to go and start off with addition or subtraction. Now, which one comes first? Well, in this example, I see that addition is the one that comes first. So I'm going to go ahead and add 25 plus 35. Now, let's say I don't know what 25 plus 35 is off the top of my head. So this is where my workspace comes in. All right, I'm going to line up my place values and go ahead and add these two. 5 plus 5 will give me 10. All right, 3 plus 2 plus 1 will give me 60. So the only thing I have to do here is just go ahead and put my answers to my operations, right? It keeps me neat. It keeps me organized, right? That way I know what numbers over here that I'm using. Okay? Now, the only thing I have left to do is subtraction, right? That's the only operation I have left to do. So now I'm just going to go in and subtract, okay, my 6 from my 60. All right, let's say I don't know how to, unless I don't know how to do it, okay, with the fluency in my head. Well, that's okay, right? That's fine, right? So 0 minus 6, I can't do that. I'm going to go ahead and regroup here. Okay, I'm going to borrow 1 from my 6, and now I have 10 there. 10 minus 6 will give me 4. I bring down my 5. So here, finally, my answer will be 54. Okay, so that's how we use PEMDAS, okay, in order to solve multi-step operations in an equation.